Okay guys, hey guys, I've actually ended my video, so I'm here back again. This video is going to be really short because I'm just finishing the touches for the house. Wow. And then I just get leg. Wow, that is a great start. Okay, let's quickly get our pillar quartz. I want to do something with chiseled quartz, but not now. And let's get the quartz stairs. Oh, let's do it. No. Let's do the dining right. Actually, let's make this a block and then, why tablet freeze? Okay. I have issues with my tablet freezing, so I'm sorry guys. So this is like the unshift. Please unshift. And oh my, I'm double tapping you. Oh my god, this is so disturbing. Finally. Okay, so these all frying pans, they're not supposed to be like this. You're like supposed to fry them. And let's do one and then add a circle, one, and then two. So this is you know what? Never mind. Let's just get the dining done. And then if we do it like this, someone will be sitting inside the whatchamacallit. Whatever. I am not good at building. Whatever, guys. Okay, so this is the dining kind of area and tablet. Listen to me. Okay, so now we've got our bathroom. We got our potties. We got our bedroom. We got our crafting tables. Nah, that doesn't look right. Okay, get this. How about we just put right bedroom? Put it up here. There we go. Like I told you guys, this is a very short video, and this is a modern house, but we're not done. Decided to add the smallest pool of your life. So I'm going to add a pool. And this will be the smallest pool you've ever seen in your life, and it goes tall to like deep. Okay, now fill these dirt in. And guys, I'm not that good builder. Say if I'm a good builder and if I'm not a good builder. And like my building series, can you answer that too? And that'd be greatly appreciated. Let's quickly just do this to add the water top. Sorry. And then if I add that, let's add stairs so it's going to be easy for us to get in. And let's quickly put, whoa, that freeze. Okay, let's quickly break those dirt blocks, and now all you have to do, oh, there you go. All you have to do is now just jump in, have a good time. Yeah, and yeah, that is your modern house. I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 parts. It's supposed to be 1, but I guess it's 2. And yeah, can we reach 20 likes for each episode, part 1 and part 2? That'd be greatly appreciated. I couldn't say anything for part 1 because my tablet froze and it made me end the video. So can we reach 20 for both episodes? And please do subscribe to my channel, and this will be greatly appreciated. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!